Welcome everyone to this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience, and like, comment below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. Let's go first and check if we have news today. We had this, we have NZD, and then we have CPI tomorrow. Nothing on that. We have AUD, we have Chair Jerome Powell unemployment claims on Thursday, and yeah, not too much so far. So let's go in gold in a monthly time frame. Monthly time frame still trades below the previous month, but now is retraced almost due to war and indecisions and hypes. Previous week we closed with no wick at the top, meaning there's not a lot of range to move up, especially after all these major bullish news on Friday, especially where they announced that potentially they will go to Gaza. Israel will start to raid on Gaza, and Iran is trying to support that, but that created a lot of fear in the market. So we are inside this range now. In this side, this new big range, we have a previous support right over here, which it aligns with this key level right over here, potentially on a daily time frame. So daily, unless we start to break the highs, I still believe we're gonna keep playing bearish, maybe again bearish, and then if major news comes, if not, we will retest, potentially clean these areas. I believe this area will be cleaned in any case, unless a very high volatile news will come in, but if not, we will also clear this areas to the downside to retrace a bit, because we moved insanely fast in the last week. 4 hour is confirming that resistance, is now formed a support, breaking the previous highs of the 2 4-hour candles with this high right over here, but still failing to break above. So in case we come and break the lows here, I believe we will continue to a downside to clean this clean traffic on the 4 hour, something like this. If not, we can just bounce inside this range and yeah, try to come up, break these highs. But as you can see, this is a very hard region, because it's met with this previous support that it was into resistance and then quick spike up, like fake out as we call it. So it's very tricky region to trade above this area here, but I believe if we can form some sort of small support, come back, break the highs, close below the highs, we can retest the highs. But even though we are in a major bullish trend, I'm not gonna look for buys, because I think buys has gold has already moved. In the past 9 days it has moved 1,200 pips almost, which is insane, and we have more room to go down than to go up. And I believe in a closure below here we can potentially catch this clean traffic up till this support, but with this I would be happy. In 2 hour time frame, yeah, 2 hour time frame, we can just adjust this. In 2 hour time frame we have the support. Now we can turn in, it depends how this 1 hour closes, but we broke the previous 1 hour lows, and we can see that we're forming some sort of resistance right over here on the mid range. So we are bouncing from these two levels. Above here we can potentially see, but I don't see that happening. I can see this coming here, playing around, breaking this low, and then continuing to clean this area. Same as in the 1 hour, sorry, that was the 2 hour. Same as in the 1 hour. In the 1 hour we have also a smaller range right over here, but below this and below this there's not, how many pips is here? Is 40 pips, and it depends, like it depends how the structure would be here for sells. Maybe only if we have some sort of these type of candles where I can put stop losses in some sort of here, and then try to target like at least 1 to 2 risk to reward trade, because this is like trying to take profit at the bottom of support inside the range is very tricky. I would obviously rather way to be more happy for a closure below here with a retest, break the lows of the breakout candle and continue to a downside. So that's about it on gold, I believe. Yeah, 30-minute, nothing special. As you can see above here, you have this small next resistance, which is very small compared to how much the stop loss would be. For this, we would not be very interested in buys. And yeah, that's about it, I believe. I'm just looking for sells below here where I already put my alert. Let's go on GJ. Let's go on GJ and check what GJ did. GJ on the monthly time frame is now start to flip a bit bearish again. Weekly closed bearish. We're trying to break these highs after this huge wick, breaking the retest again this resistance. Now we can say like a head and shoulder formation where price can easily come and tap these levels here on the weekly, but that is very long based on our trading plan. On a daily time frame, let's go ahead and clear these drawings. On a daily time frame, we have the most recent resistance right over here, and we have the most recent support right over here. Apart from that, we have a support right over here on a daily time frame where I can believe that if this day starts to flip here, we have enough wick of, like, obviously this is 100 pip, but we're targeting 120 pips, so it's 1-to-1. It's not so good, but yeah, it's not so bad either. But as you can see on the past, since Friday late, we have forming this support on the 4-hour. It's kind of a retracement because we had this move. We can retrace up, potentially retest this and then continue, but we need a very clean breakout from this level right over here, which I believe we need to adjust this support also that was on the daily time frame, or maybe even put below here for better sells. Like put an alert here also. But then if, as you can see, if you break out this support level, you have all these small wicks, which is not a very clean range like here to mirror these type of movements, for example. So it's very tricky on GJ where we have this resistance also, which, yeah, let's go on smaller time frame. I don't see anything clear on GJ from my perspective, from my trading plan. We have a resistance here, which now we can finally break out, and then we have this smaller resistance. It's like 70 pip for 30 pip. It's not bad based on 2-hour time frame. Yeah, 1 hour is more clean. Yeah, a closure above here on 1 hour, because we moved here and we already retraced, so there's nothing to clean. And then if we close above, break and close above in the 1 hour time frame, then next candle makes a wick and breaks the high, we can potentially have some buys if it gives us very good leverage in terms of, for example, position like this. We have breakout candle happens here, the highs are here, and then it gives us a stop loss of 25 pips for potential 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. Maybe something like this I would be interested if we have a breakout candle here and then make a wick, start to flip, and then potentially continue something like this. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and comment below your thoughts and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.